Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for south central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:37 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Landers. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Twentine and Palms Bays, Joshua Tree Lake Campground in Johnson Valley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5:30 p.m. PDT. At 2:36 p.m. PDT, heavy rain was occurring in the Big Bear City area due to repeated thunderstorms. Trained weather spotters reported minor flooding along Highway 38 near Big Bear. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Apple Valley, Big Bear City, Lucerne Valley, Onyx Summit, Big Bear Lake, Seven Oaks, Highway 38 between Onyx Summit and Sugarloaf, Baldwin Lake, Highway 18 between Baldwin Lake and Lucerne Valley, and Highway 38 between Yucaipa and Onyx Summit.